इस वक्त हम चलता टीवी की जानिब से डॉक्टर लुबना कमाल के साथ मौजूद हैं, जो कि बोर्ड मेंबर हैं अमेरिकन मुस्लिम वुमेन फिजिशियन एसोसिएशन की। तो हम उनसे पूछते हैं कि इस तरह के इवेंट, जो हेल्थ फेयर के इस तरह के इवेंट हैं, वो कम्युनिटी के लिए किस तरह बेनिफिशियल हो सकते हैं। तो इनके लिए हम डॉक्टर लुबना कमाल से बात करते हैं।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ डॉक्टर लुबना कमाल. I am a board member of American Muslim Women Physicians Association. It's a non-profit organization. We do health fairs basically for the people who can't afford insurance. It's a preventive health care. We do free mammograms, bone density. All the specialty doctors are here, from cardiology, rheumatology, internal medicine, diet factors. We do the blood screening for high cholesterol, lipids, fats, and blood sugar. The results are given right over here. All the advice for the diet prevention is given over here. We are thankful to Medina Masjid, who they come and they kind of support us also. We also give free helmets to little children who can't afford it, so they can drive the bikes safely. And it's all kind of preventive health care. There's a free vision care, and we give free glasses here. There's a free dental care. There's a free bone density done over here. And we give all the advice for better diet for high cholesterol and diabetes.
Thank you very much.